Pros and cons of Rust. Rust is a modern programming language that is designed to be safe, fast, and expressive. It is a popular choice for systems programming where reliability and performance are critical. Here are some of the pros and cons of Rust. Pros. Memory safety. Rust has a built-in ownership and borrowing system that prevents memory leaks and other memory-related errors. Speed. Rust is a very fast language, especially for systems programming. Expressiveness. Rust is a very expressive language, which means that it is easy to write clear and concise code. Concurrency. Rust has excellent support for concurrency and parallelism. This makes it a good choice for writing multi-threaded applications. Cons. Learning curve. Rust has a steep learning curve. It is not a good choice for beginners. Tooling. The Rust tooling is still under development. Ecosystem. The Rust ecosystem is still growing. There are not as many libraries and frameworks available for Rust as there are for other languages. No garbage collector. Rust does not have a garbage collector. This means that programmers are responsible for managing memory manually. This can be a challenge for beginners. Overall, Rust is a powerful and versatile language that is well suited for a wide range of tasks.